Hi, and welcome to Hull & Hull TV. I'm Suzana Popovic-Montag, the managing partner of the law firm of Hull & Hull, and I'm joined here today with the co-founding partner, Ian Hull, together with our associate counsel and very good friend, Jordan Atin. Thank you, both of you, for joining me here today.
Thank you.
Now, Jordan is the co-author of a fabulous book that many of my clients are always sort of throwing back to me, entitled The Family War. And it's a really great way to delve into these issues that we explore at Hull & Hull TV on a regular basis from both an estates and trust perspective as well as a capacity perspective. Now, today we're going to talk about the issue of second marriages, and one that, given our dynamic, our current population dynamic, we see a lot of. And so, Jordan, turning to you, I would wonder, how is it that you deal with clients who come to you when they're in a second marriage situation?
Yeah, it's a difficult situation. In most cases, the will maker is balancing the demands of a new spouse with the protection and advancement of their children from a prior marriage. And so they're in a balancing act. And so what we often talk about is either splitting assets among the two groups, for example, using life insurance to provide for the children and other assets to provide for the current spouse, or we talk about using a spousal trust, a trust that allows the spouse to use the assets during his or her lifetime, but when he or she dies, then it goes to the children of that first relationship.
And Ian, how about you? What kinds of things do you see in these situations that arise?
Well, I think the most important factor in any second marriage relationship is to delve in carefully into the dynamics within the family unit. You can predict what they are while they are alive, and you can also in many cases predict what they are going to be. Right. And I think as a solicitor, that's where we are charged with a real obligation to step into that and to remind our clients that things may look rosy right now, but if we don't watch ourselves, and the glue, as you've described it in the past, does fall away with the death of one of the spouses, the whole family plan will likely go more contentiously than they think. And I often will say to my clients, look, imagine seeing everything as if it were for the first time. What happens when one of the spouses dies in the family, and where the money's going to flow, and what's that impact going to be?
And that truly underscores the importance of advanced estate planning, doesn't it, Jordan?
Absolutely. I mean, you have to inform the clients. Our experience in doing this kind of work informs the client on what happens when people die. Not many people have been through that before in their lives. In fact, no one has. But what we try to do is inform them on, here are the dynamics involved. Here's what often happens. And how can we prevent those bad things from happening in your situation? And sometimes, quite frankly, we can't, I think would be fair to say. But we can do our best to try to minimize that risk.
Ian, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think that's crucial. Is that we're there to push back. And as the clients decide what they want to do, we are there to remind them what will likely happen if they do it. And we have to draw on our experience, and we have to draw on the realities of life. But as Jordan says, we're not always going to solve the problem. We can't fix every piece of family dynamic, but we can anticipate with a view to slowing that train wreck down.
Agreed.
And I guess that really is the key, just sort of foreshadowing or knowing what might occur and trying to avoid it as much as possible.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining me here at Hull & Hull TV, and thank you to all of you for watching us today.